Okay, continue.
Okay. Welcome back, guys, to another video. I'm Mr. Salmon, and these buffoons will be in a challenge video. These guys are absolutely buffoons.
I got kidnapped.
These are hooligans.
Please.
I forgot
Get up here, Shark Man. We are about to do the first challenge. This is an elimination challenge.
the first. So everybody's back in?
This guy may leave, but it's okay. We still love you.
Hey, just so you know, viewers. Just so you know, viewers. If I die, if I die in this video, my last words would be like and subscribe.
Well, you heard it.
Can we say something? Wait,
Okay, everybody, the first challenge. Get to the top of that pole. Go, 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 go. Get to the top of the pole. Go, 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 go.
Oh, that's scary.
I wasn't ready, man. I wasn't ready.
Second.
I'm third.
Oh no.
Oh, no, wait.
We're screwed. Wait, hold on.
White, white. Please, white.
Oh no, I fell.
Green, no. Get up there, Green, no.
I fell.
Holy crap. Okay. No.
Oh no.
White.
I'm sorry.
White's out again.
I touched the top.
White, you fell off last
I
second.
feel real guilty. No,
You know what, White? Come on. Let's go to the tunnel of shame once again.
Sad.
We're going to the
really bad.
No,
I
actually
feel so
record it.
guilty.
Actually
Guys,
record
let's
it.
go to the tunnel of shame. I'm sorry, White.
Didn't record it and
Guys, if you didn't know, we tried this before and I forgot to record. The exact same thing happened to White again.
Bro, if Red Shark sends out in this next challenge, I swear.
What? Okay, blue, blue.
Bro, White, I am so sorry.
I feel
I'm
bad
so
for
sorry,
White,
bro.
so
No, wait. Blue, blue.
I'm so
You feel bad for White?
Bro, that's sad to happen.
You can either let him jump down or you could take his place.
If I take his place, will there be a redemption?
There is one redemption. There's one redemption.
He took his place. I'll take it, White. I'll vote you. No, Red already took it.
Oh, Red.
Fighting to get
Red
out.
made the sacrifice. Ah!
Red already made the wait.
Red, you're the
Red already made the sacrifice.
Oh.
I was gonna take the sacrifice.
Well, blue. Well, I'm sorry, Red, but it's time to start the next challenge.
Can I go get him a hug?
Pink, come on.
I mean, I tried.
Get up here. The next challenge starts in 10, 9. Holy crap. Holy crap.
Needed or wanted?
What?
Guys,
Oh
as like before, everyone get to your buoys. First one to a buoy gets immunity.
This win is mine.
Green was the first to a buoy. Again,
I was here first.
It was me.
I saw Green reach the buoy first. Everyone get to Blue's buoy again. Everyone get to Blue's buoy.
What's up, guys?
Guys, everyone get to Blue's buoy. Everyone get to Blue's buoy.
No, Green, you gotta get over here.
Green, get to Blue's buoy. Get to Blue's buoy. I said get to Blue's buoy, monkey.
But you said I was safe.
You are safe, but you can still participate. Okay, guys, they can't really hear me, but this is a trap. Red, get back. Go.
No, I'm not. I'm already out.
Oh yeah, Red, you're already out. Okay, White, go back.
Wait, go back.
Go back, White. I haven't started yet.
bro.
I swear to God, bro, White. Okay,
Bro, I'm a partner with you since I sacrificed.
let me just tell you something. It's not what it seems. I'm gonna say first person to touch the buoy gets eliminated. Guys, first person to touch the buoy gets eliminated. Come on, go, 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 go. Blue, no. Blue was eliminated. He was first. I said first to touch the buoy gets eliminated.
I thought it was last.
I'm sorry, Blue, but looks like... Come on, guys, let's go to the tunnel of shame. Blue fell for it.
I thought I heard first.
It's okay, Blue. Let's go to the tunnel of shame.
Blue took the lead at the last second, bro.
The magenta guy was about to lose.
Because he did say he was gonna sacrifice for me.
But he didn't. Someone already sacrificed.
Looks like Blue already. Looks like Blue actually
It's like
technically
he
sacrificed.
reflects the kid when someone
Blue
said-
technically sacrificed for magenta, the shark guy.
But I'm voting for red.
Guys,
I'm sorry.
Blue, I'm sorry. Oh god.
Blue. Oh my god. that
Okay,
redemption
Blue.
might be challenge and gets a-
Get down there, you two.
Just so you know, that means you're the fastest swimmer, though. That means you're the fastest swimmer. Though.
That is two.
Let's go.
This is the last. This is the last one before redemption.
Touch it before him?
This is the last redemption. This is the last elimination before redemption. This one will be as Simon says. Jump into the water.
Oh, no.
Oh. Oh.
I can't hear you.
Simon says jump into the water. Magenta. Did you not hear me?
Yo, Blue. While we're down there, you
Okay. Simon says follow me.
Off the ledge.
Get on land.
You know, if there was a challenge, whoever's the fastest and gets
White.
somewhere on my end, you didn't say
If you're white, that was close.
person.
Simon says get on land.
I went like that because I was about to touch it, and then I went.
Jump back into the water.
If he said last person, I would definitely be first. But he said first.
Jump into the water.
You took the lead at the last second.
Simon says jump into the water. Get back on land.
Oh, clever little monkey.
Simon says everyone get inside of Red Goal.
Wait, I feel like orange. It's orange
Chick
though. It's
you.
orange though.
Yep, and that means Sharkman's.
Can I say
Actually, no, Sharkman wasn't in it.
what?
I'm just kidding. Go into the blue
You
goal.
almost fooled me.
Sandman,
Guys,
Sandman,
go,
can I say
guys,
one?
go. It's a
Can I
race.
say one?
Yep, guys, this is go into blue goal. Get to blue goal.
Guys, go. Bro, look, I'm going. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
Blue goal.
Simon says touch the beast ball.
Where is it?
Simon said race to blue
Simon
goal.
says touch that balloon bucket right in front of me. Simon says grab a. Everyone stop grabbing balloons. Simon says grab a balloon. Simon says wait. Drop your balloon. Green is eliminated.
Simon says.
No, wait, no. He said. Simon says. Wait, everyone stop your drop your balloon.
I said drop your balloons. I didn't say Simon says.
No, he said Simon says, and then he said drop your balloon. He said Simon says.
That could confuse some people how you mess up.
When's the redemption round? When's
You know, fine. Get into water.
Wait, am I safe?
Boo?
I guess get into the water.
You're not a boo, bro. Wait, was I the one that saved
got it.
your life? Was
Pretty
I the
much.
one that saved your life?
Simon says get on top of the palm tree.
Wait, the palm tree.
That one. Simon says that one.
Me, I was first.
Green monkey. I said Simon says get on, Simon says get on that palm tree.
Oh, this one. No, technically.
Jump
they're
into the
connected,
water.
they're the same thing. Got it. Scuba diving.
Jump.
Bro, don't
Simon
forget,
says
break
jump
for
into the
water,
water.
guys. Can you, wait, let me see one. Let me see one. Let me see one.
Get on land. Get on land.
Literally. I'm not.
Y'all still have your balloons?
Go to the blue goal.
Let me say one. Let me say one. Let me be
Okay.
Simon for one.
Hey, can you drop a water balloon?
Get on
Can I
land.
next?
Yes.
I want to next. Okay.
And Shark is out. I didn't say Simon says. I'm sorry, Shark.
Wait, those two don't have it.
They didn't have one. I said yes, you could drop your water balloon. So
Simon says it's a blue goal.
go into the tunnel of shame, guys. Go to the tunnel of shame.
Okay, what's the redemption round?
It's right now.
Who got out? Who got out? Hold on.
The Shark Man. You three get down there right now.
Red light
You
green
three
light.
get down there right
No,
now.
red light, green light.
Mom, my game's gonna lag. That's not fair. We can't.
Come on, Shark. Shark, we'll miss you.
If that's
But this is the redemption round.
I won't be able to finish.
Okay.
I'm not gonna be
You three that are dead, everyone else stay up here. If you go down there, you will be eliminated. Just so you know.
I want you to win.
Fair warning, if you go down this pit, you will be eliminated.
So what you guys want to do?
I'll catch you.
You missed. Shark, get down here. You guys follow me.
What's the redemption round?
Alright.
Right now.
Don't go down that hole.
It-
He said if you go down that hole, you'll be eliminated.
Redemption round is right now. I still got my water, or I'm probably gonna lose if it's.
I'm gonna lose
Okay,
it 'cause I'm
you
lying.
three. Okay, remember this?
Wait. Yellow. This is not gonna be fair because I don't have good internet.
Okay, this, you don't need anything. Okay. You are this. Remember this.
Who said that?
Okay? You are this.
Number one, you guys suck.
And then you are this. Okay. Everyone get on the
No, we're gonna stay here.
you guys get in order of one, you guys get in the order of 1, 2, 3 that I gave you guys.
Bro. I'm at 2%. I'm at 2%, bro.
Come on.
I'm at 2%.
Everyone get up here.
I have to, bro. No. I have to.
If you guys don't get in the order and I come down there, whatever order you're on, I'm going on because I already forgot your numbers.
I'm sorry, bro. I'm sorry.
Okay, everyone, the last 3 people, choose a number between 1 to 3.
2.
1, 2, 3. You?
Wait, what does that mean? Wait.
Actually, it doesn't even matter what you choose.
You know what? Finally, my last
Number,
word.
okay,
Like and subscribe.
number 2. Who is number 2? You're number 2?
That's lying.
Yeah.
Because I know you're number 1, you were.
No, there's.
I'm number 3. So what does what's
Blue, you are back in. I'm sorry, you two, but Blue's back in. You guys voted for Blue.
Oh my god, if I win this, my career of being a YouTuber is the best.
Wait, Green, no. Green, no.
Green died.
Green,
I'm coming, guys.
no.
I can make it. I can make them. Thank you, guys.
Well, this has been an unexpected turn of events. You two, come here. You two will rock, paper, scissors to see who takes Green's place.
Alright, so let's turn around.
Turn your back.
Okay.
Alright,
Wait, is
look
it
away.
Like best of two? Wait, is it best
it's the
This is rock.
best of 2.
This is scissors.
I know.
This is paper.
Okay, I know. Turn your backs. Turn your backs.
Paper, rock.
Red, what do you choose?
The whole map. I've been recording this whole challenge.
Hey, stop looking. What do you choose? Okay. No changes. Pink, what do you choose?
I think so. I'm not sure though.
Okay, Pink, you have lost the first round. He had rock.
Holy crap.
Okay, Red, if you win one more time. Okay, Red, what do you choose?
No, because I'm
Okay.
telling him what you said. I'm telling
No
him
takesy
what
backs
you
this.
said.
Pink, what do you choose?
Oh, I thought he was dead. I thought he was gone. Yeah, but he wasn't. You were about to betray him like that.
Wait. No.
How the fuck would betray him? I mean, me and
Red, you have lost. He chose scissors.
tomatoes did, but it don't even matter now.
This is the final
What
1v1.
does that mean?
That means it's the last one. Turn your backs.
Here, bro. I sacrificed in the first round, bro. You gotta let me win.
Use your,
How will I let you win? It's rock, paper,
Alright,
scissors. You pick rock. You pick rock, okay?
Turn your backs. Turn your back. Okay, Pink, what do you choose?
Oh, Red did kill himself for me.
Wait.
Okay.
No, I
Are
don't.
you
choose
walking
that.
it in?
Red gets in. I hope Red gets in. I
No,
honestly forgot
Look
about
away.
that.
I still I'm not gonna change my answer even if Red looks there.
I want this one. Oh,
What do you
no,
last? Look away.
I want this one.
You choose that one?
I
Okay.
might die, actually.
Well, he chose scissors. Pink, you're back in. Come on.
I'm pink.
Yep, Pink's back in. There is no more redemptions. Pink, you can thank Green for that.
Alright. Bro, Green's gone,
Bro,
Yep.
this is a crazy.
Green
This
sacrificed
is a
it.
crazy game.
This has been a whole bunch of sacrifices, pretty much.
Uh-oh, my headset's at 16%.
Total drama. room.
Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 people. Let's see.
Bye guys.
Wait, guys, I need to fix my
What?
balance.
Psych.
Okay, guys, I chose a number between 1 through 4. You guys choose. I chose a number between 1 through 4.
3.
Wait, who's going first?
Just keep your number up. If you have 4, just do like that.
I
Okay.
chose 2.
So you chose 2, you chose 3, you chose 4, and you chose 1?
Yeah, he chose 2.
I'm sorry, but you've been eliminated. I'm sorry.
Oh my god, I didn't know that was
It was 4, it was 3. I'm sorry, but
So if he
Damn.
guesses, so if one of us guesses your number, we're out.
yep. And now this is, hold up. Wait, get back up here. Oh. Okay, so now there's 3 of you guys.
I need to fix my boundary. Give me like 5 seconds.
You can just say your number, okay. I chose a number between 1 through 3. Say your number.
We're just doing this
I got
the whole
1.
time?
Nope.
No,
You
wait,
got
no,
1?
wait, not 1, not 1, not 1, not 1.
We're just doing this the whole time?
You got 2?
I choose 3. Okay, I'm gonna fix my boundary.
Blue chose 3. White, what do you choose?
Wait, what's the numbers?
1 through 3. He chose 2.
Okay.
Oh my god,
What?
bruh. I'm honestly
1 through
scared
3.
This is another elimination.
I chose
1 through
one.
3.
I chose
You chose
scared
2.
this
White,
is
what do you
another-
choose?
One. I'm scared this
You
is-
chose
I'm
1?
scared this is another. I'm scared.
Okay, Blue, what do you choose?
I'm
3.
scared this is another elimination.
It was 1, White. I'm sorry.
No, oh my god, my luck
Goodbye,
is
White.
over.
Pink, get back down there.
Sandman, I have an.
And now that it's just you
Why don't
two.
we do my lucky?
Why don't we do a thing? Wait, I didn't. Wait,
Please not swimming. Oh my God.
This is the final chance I'm letting you guys do this. Blue.
Whoever wins the ball game. How about whoever wins the ball game?
Wait, no, both of you guys have been through redemption. One of you guys can sacrifice if you guys want. One of you two can sacrifice for each other.
Well, what does that mean?
So pretty much, Pink can jump down and let Blue win, or Blue can jump down and let Shark Boy win.
You know, if I wasn't out, I could have sacrificed.
I want the sacrifice.
Oh no.
You're gonna sacrifice Blue?
So how would that?
You're gonna do a normal cost? You know what? Whoever you know what?
Sacrifice.
If you go down there, there's a 50% chance you get eliminated, or there's and it's basically 50-50.
So we both.
You get something good if you go down there. Red was the first one
I
down.
mean, there's nothing that you do.
Since Red was the first one down, he gets to come back up and live. There was a redemption point. You guys all have that opportunity, so that means it's Red, Pink, and Blue. There are no more redemptions.
My headset's at 13%. Earlier.
That was confusing. That was confusing because I thought
13%.
one of the white people were supposed to jump down for someone, not an already dead person jump down for himself.
If I were to jump in, I would probably be out.
I don't know. No, it's just a redemption point.
That means I'm in, bro. I'm in. Yeah.
Okay, so the 3 people that are alive, come here.
For the fun of it.
The final
For
challenge.
the fun of it, and then God.
This challenge is follow me without touching the ground.
That's not fair.
Oh gosh.
You cannot touch the ground.
I'm doing it for fun.
And by ground, you can touch anything but the ground.
I didn't know where you're going.
Oh,
Fine,
what was the
stop.
challenge?
Yep,
I
you can
stopped.
touch anything but the ground.
Oh, what do you have to do?
Yep, you guys can. Okay, you guys all get to my buoy. You 3 get to my buoy. Okay, you go over there.
Me?
Yep. No, White. Okay, you 3.
Oh, okay. Why?
You 3.
Why white?
Because he's not in here right now. He's not in the game. Okay, you 3. You guys will stay. Okay. Now that if you fall off, you are out. And it's gonna continue to be like this until one of you jump off.
Just do a race. Can we just do a race? No.
Until one of you jump off, it's gonna continue being the bobber. Until one of you guys jump off.
Stay here.
No, no
So-
races. No races.
Somebody do a sacrifice. I just got back in. I can't.
I can't. I don't want to sacrifice.
Well, this guy's headset's gonna die, so.
I just.
The first person to get, the last person to get to me is out.
Wait, what?
The last person to get to me is out. Whoa,
Bro,
shark.
why would you do that?
I'm sorry.
Why would you do that?
Bye, shark.
That's you, Blue. Why would you do that?
Stupid idiot.
Mwah.
I'm sorry.
Get in the water now.
What if it was first one?
I'm sorry.
I said I'm.
Unless one of you want to take his place.
What?
Unless one of you guys want to take his place.
Let me check.
I mean, my headset's gonna die, and I
you
want
can
to try
jump
to.
out. You can jump out because I didn't really like it.
Well, Shark, let's go to the Tunnel of Shame for the last time, Mr. Shark. Come on, Mr. Shark. Everyone come to the Tunnel of Shame.
I guess you can stay on the top. I should be in the Olympics.
Well, Shark Man,
Sandman,
you will be
bro.
missed.
No. The shark man
Whoever-
got back
whoever
in for, like,
wins-
killing me, basically.
Sandman,
And then
Sandman.
I literally basically got revenge.
Shark Man,
Oh, my headset's at 10%.
That's karma.
Hurry up, bro.
That's karma.
What?
this is your last chance to someone to sacrifice for Shark.
I chose. No, the thing is, I chose scissor every single
I sacrificed for Shark.
I'm already out, but I sacrificed.
Okay, now just jump down
you
the
should've
hole.
caught on.
Get
You
down the
should've
hole.
caught on.
No,
I
get
sacrificed
down in the hole.
You should have
Sorry,
caught on.
Shark.
Get down in the hole. Get down in the hole.
You need a little
I might do it.
push.
It's gonna die. Get down in the
Guys,
hole.
don't hurry.
You better fall down right now.
I'm already dead, but I
Three.
sacrificed.
2.
What are
Get
you
down
gonna
there.
ban me if I don't fall down?
Well,
Anyway,
the last two, come here. You two.
I saw Red to know that you suck.
This is the last challenge. Come with me.
Are we doing the ball game?
You know what? Okay. Get on the island so I can speak to you too. The first person to make a score. Where's the volleyball at? The volleyball's right there. The first person to make a score wins. Red, you are orange. Blue, you are blue.
Orange team. I'm on orange team.
Obviously.
I'm blue team.
Oh wait, no, that's wrong way. That's wrong way.
Uh-oh.
That's wrong way.
No! Don't you do this, Red.
Oh, Red.
Yes. No. No.
Oh, what a save.
No.
Oh no. Red. Red, no. Blue wins. Blue, you win.
Nah, bro.
You won. High five.
What's the prize?
You get 10,000 bananas delivered to your house right now.
Can I get
Red.
10,000?
Red, I'm sorry. But listen,
Get the fuck away from me. Get the fuck
you will
away
get
from me.
100 bananas shipped to your house since you lost.
Nobody likes a
You
banana.
got second.
I lost. What?
Did I say the bananas will be inside?
Wait, you want 5,000
Flippin' hate you.
bananas?
You'll get 2,000
You know what? You
bananas.
had a chance to redeem me.
And
you
a
did
whole
it,
bunch
so
of them women. Women gorillas.
Yes.
I don't want
Wait, what
anything
are
from
they?
you.
I meant absolute black gorillas. Big black gorillas.
I want that. Okay,
Well-
I have to get off.
Bye, Blue, you've won. I will ship you the 10 million
Wait,
bananas.
Wait. If he's getting off, that means I win.
Nope, he already won.
Nah, bro.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you like my content, subscribe to Mr. Sandman VR.
Can I tell some people to shout out?
Sure.
Shout out.
I have ended it right now, so go ahead.
Okay. My YouTube is
And that's all.
Blue2VR. Capital B, capital T, capital V, and R.
Well, you guys subscribe to Bluetooth VR. And that's the end. If you guys want to subscribe to me, it's capital Mr. Sandman VR.
And mine's Gmont. Mine's Gmont. You better subscribe that.
You guys subscribe to these lucky people. Blue, thanks for playing.
And I think you know what my
And
username
see you guys
is.
next time.
Leaderboard. Look at the leaderboard and you'll know my YouTube.